Come here. Good morning. Hello, good morning everyone. Mga kachis. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Annie Batong Bagal again over here. You know, today I have to shift my house or transfer my house from the other place to here because it's very cold outside. And I'm going to show you my room. So it's a small room and my friend Disha is here. Say hi.
Hello, welcome to the Annie and Lloyd.
My channel, welcome to my channel. This is my room, so small, so I have to shove it here today. And we have to pack all the things. So many cockroaches over here. Look, they are all dead because I put the medicine. Good for them. You see my room. Yesterday we cleaned this room. Look, so many cockroaches. Oggy and the cockroaches are there. So I kill them. I kill the cockroach. Look. Okay. So now I have to. Like this. Come here. I will go sweeping the floor. Cleaning. Later I have to. You can say anything. Don't say anything. You say something. So many cockroach. And I have to put again that medicine. It's December 18 today. Guys, good luck day. It's a happy day because I shipped the house and it's not cold. And I won't get sick anymore, and it's cheap also. It's very cheap. So clean. Can see or not?
Yeah.
No. We have to clean up, and this also we have to fix. If I can say bye-bye, just watch only. Later I will say bye-bye for a few minutes. Just okay, just leave it there. Let's go and work. So if I can say bye-bye, it automatically bye-bye. Because sometimes my memory will be full, so you want to say something, just say hi to everyone. You say something.
Hi, welcome to
Good morning, magandang umaga namaste sa mga Nepalese.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. And please press the bell icon.
You can say something. You wanna see. So many cockroach. I don't like cockroach.
Yeah.
They are welcome to my room, but I don't like them to welcome these cockroaches. So no one is helping, only she and other friends. She already went. My friend Golga, she went in the morning because she has work to do. What to do? Yeah, guys, you know it's very cold, guys. That's why.
We are living in a flat.
Yeah.
We are not
And Merry Christmas to all of you. Christmas is coming.
this time.
No money. And thanks to my sister Mary. She's helping me also. She will give me money to pay the rent cost. I don't have money. I'm alone. And what to do?
Yeah.
I'm saving. Hope you guys. Mga kachis. I'm saving Hopia for my business. It's dead, you know. Good for you. Come again. Another day.
Yeah,
You will die. Again, I have to buy that killing the chop. Maybe they die because of the chop. That's maybe they are hungry. Hungry cockroaches. Okay, now look guys, Look at the floor. It's nice. This one, my friend gave me this. This one.
Is the
She
carpet?
gave me, yeah. She gave me the carpets. I asked her, no need to take out from, yesterday. Oh, yeah. This is their broom, guys. This is their broom, Nepali broom. It's quite different. Sweet. Because there is a paint also. This I need to stick. We didn't bring what is that?
What?
Just put there, Misha, it's okay. You can see. There, on the wall. We forgot to bring the scissors, yeah?
Yeah.
Never mind, this one is not so much. Just only, come here. Don't cut first, okay? Did you cut already? Naughty girl. Cute. Only few. Now go to the side. Good morning. That could be very cockroach. Cockroach in the video. Here? Oh, my. Yeah, Rapni, Aunts again. Mother took my mommy and Morta. Please, okay, please, right. Kita ba ni Aunsa? There, siya. Mare na ito. Hoy, Aunsa ni Victor. Hi, Bandel yan. Mero YouTube channel. Hi, Bandel. Good morning. This is the Garbity. He is the landlord. Okay? Hoy na, yung video ni. Mero YouTube channel siya ke. Ani, video gara ko. Delete sa na yun. That is my landlord, my Garbity. Okay? So, watch. We have this thing, cheese na ba niya? Minsa. Tuloy magtiho. Ano ka tinamo? Kagod. And then it's no. You put there.
It's not very
It's
squishy.
not sticking. Just put more, you can put more. Not sticking. And give me. Don't go there. It's not enough, yeah? Check, it's not working.
I didn't do it.
Huh? Look. This is not good. Take it. Good? Guys, the tape is not sticking.
Okay, I have to stick it.
It's not enough because this is not for the wall. This is for the wood, I think, and paper.
Yeah.
Maybe just you press harder.
Yeah. I'll just do
Air, that's why it's not sticking because there is something plastic. No?
it. Yeah.
You rip it out or what? Yes? Oh man. Okay. It's pressing or not? No, it's lower. Okay. Then we need to put another one. That last tape, cello tape for. So it takes time.
No, you just do it like this. And then
No, because you
I
can see. Can see. Do it down. We're fixing mga ka-cheese here because the actually it's not so good, but we need to put for my safety. Oh, good.
Now use Corona
Here,
sanitizer.
here.
Hope you're safe at your room. And be safe.
We'll do one more, two more. He's thinking that my video was there, she's not there, she's sleeping. She will come later. She, what is here? It's here, guys. Check. It's not working, guys. What to do? The kids just keep on watching there. Please watch my next video. It's coming out again. I think I need to put the tape, cellular tape. I forgot to bring that one because this one
I
wants to
think
be
this
ready.
one, the level is not full. It's not straight. Look here. How it is?
Yeah, because it's not weighted. It's something. Please keep okay, man. Stick. So you have to buy me one. Oh no, man. It's not sticking. Hey, take out the sheet.
That one.
Yeah, the cello tape. Or you buy there outside. Wait. Yeah.
Okay.
You can. Oh. One stick. Maybe one stick. Or we just keep like this on it. Leave it morning to take out first this one, yeah. And then just racing one. Because it's one stick. Properly. No, one stick. We need a tape. This tape. Leave it. Because this is wool. We are wool, so it wants to eat, what to do. I can't do what's we're just waiting only the tape, never mind, leave it for a while. Leave it. You see, guys, it's not working. We need to put something. I don't need to take out, just put there because I have to take the cello tape. It's not sticking, so we need to put it back, put it down. You can do from here, this one.
I think it's already.
Huh?
And it is not.
Give me. What? So no need that one, this one right there. Do it together, yes, I do. This could be great. Me. Because this side is clean, we both clean together. Right. Oh, give me that one. This one? No. The full, the take out this side. This one also not sticky. I think it's not good. Hmm.
I think you should put this on the floor.
Where? Where? Floor?
Floor. It will be.
No, I have my carpet here.
No, carpet doesn't like it doesn't take too much.
No, it's
You
okay.
keep them there.
Fine. I will put it there only. It's fine.
Can you use
Then,
that?
what names? Because this is not for food. Hey. Later we need to put the tape separate. I know the black tape it was good. You know. First we can use the black tape, yeah?
Yeah.
But also
Black
it's not good, I think. So let's take also.
I think yellow tape or black tape.
Okay. So again guys, my Pachis were going back to my room. So if